Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Discord apps to any of your devices. So if you're currently using the web version, you can actually get this on your laptop, on your phone, and so forth. So let me show you how you can find the direct link to download those apps. So let's say you're on the web version, right? Now on the left hand side, you will find the download icon. It says download apps. If you click on that, you will see what it is available for. So you can see that you can get Discord on your Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and if you're on your phone, you can quickly get this on your Android phone or your iPhone, any Apple devices. Let's put it like that. So if you're on your Samsung or whichever Android phone, you can go to the Play Store. And of course, if you're on your iPhone, you can go to the Apple Store. And that's it, guys. You can quickly go ahead and select whichever one. So let's say I want it for Windows. I can click on that and it's going to take me and it's going to start to download it on the right hand side. As you can see in the upper right hand side, it downloaded for Windows, and I can install this on my PC. Now I already have this installed on my PC because I've done so. So if I minimize this window, you can see here on my desktop, I have this card there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.